Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss one of the important problem from exercise 1C in circles of intermediate second year mathematics. If you didn't watch videos regarding this chapter, you can go through our channel playlist. Let's start the video. The question is, find the equations of circles passing through 1, minus 1 and touching the lines 4x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0 and 3x minus 4y minus 10 equals to 0. Solution. The given point is 1, minus 1. Let us consider this as P. And the equation of the lines are 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0. 3x minus 4y minus 10 is equals to 0. Let us draw the diagram to understand the given question clearly. First, I will draw the circle. And the circle passes through the point 1, minus 1. Let us take a point on the circle, that is P, 1, minus 1. And the line 4x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0 touches the circle. So, I will draw a line which touches the circle. The equation of this line is 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0. And if you observe the given two lines, the quotient of x is 4. And in this line the quotient of y is minus 4. And the quotient of y is 3 here and the quotient of x is 3 here. So which means that these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So I will draw the line which is perpendicular to the first one and also touches the circle. Equation of the line is 3x minus 4y minus 10 is equals to 0. So now let us consider the center as capital C. If you observe from the figure, the radius of the circle is the distance from center to this point. This is the radius of the circle. And one more thing you can observe from the figure. The perpendicular distance from center to this line is equal to the perpendicular distance from center to this line, and these two are also equal to the distance from center to this point because these three represents the radius of the circle. So first I want to equate the perpendicular distance from center to this line as well as from center to this line. So before going to equating the perpendicular distances, so let us consider the equation of the circle. Let equation of the circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. What is the center of the circle? That is c minus g minus f. This is capital C. And according to the given question, this circle passes through the point 1, minus 1 means we have to substitute 1, minus 1 in the equation of the circle. Let us substitute. We will get 1 square plus the value of y is minus 1 whole square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into minus 1 plus c is equals to 0. 1 square value is 1 plus minus 1 square is 1 plus 2g into 1 is 2g plus into minus 2f plus c is equals to 0. 2g minus 2f plus c. 1 plus 1 is 2. Bring that to RHS side. We will get minus 2 is equals to minus 2. Let us consider this as equation 1. Now, we have to equate the perpendicular distances from center to these two lines. The center is minus g, minus f. So, equating that to modulus of 4 into minus g plus 3 into minus f plus 5 divided by square root of the quotient of x is 4. So 4 square plus the quotient of y is 3. 3 square is equals to modulus of the perpendicular distance from center to the second line. So 3 into minus g minus 4 into minus f minus 10 divided by square root of x coefficient is 3. So 3 square plus the quotient of y is minus 4. So minus 4 whole square. Modulus of minus 4g plus into minus, minus 3f plus 5 divided by square root of 4 square value is 16 plus 3 square value is 9 is equals to modulus of minus 3g minus into minus plus 4f minus 10 divided by square root of 3 square value is 9 plus minus 4 whole square means plus 16. And finally we will get modulus of minus 4g minus 3f plus 5 divided by square root of 16 plus 9 is 25. Square root of 25 value is 5. So divided by 5 is equals to modulus of minus 3g plus 4f minus 10 divided by, here also square root of 9 plus 16 is square root of 25. The value of square root of 25 is 5. So divided by 5. This 5 gets cancelled. Now I want to remove this modulus. So whenever we are removing modulus, we have to consider plus or minus symbol. So minus 4g minus 3f plus 5 is equals to plus or minus minus 3g plus 4f minus 10. So in first time I am taking plus symbol, after that in the second case I will consider minus symbol. So minus 4g minus 3f plus 5 is equals to, I am considering plus symbol, so we will get minus 3g plus 4f minus 10 and bring all this term to left hand side, then we will get minus 4g plus 3g minus 3f and plus 4f means minus 4f, bring this constant term to RHS side, so minus 10 minus 5. So minus 4g plus 3g, we will get minus g minus 3f minus 4f minus 7f is equals to minus 15. Take minus common, then we will get g plus 7f is equals to minus 15 minus minus cancel. Finally, we will get g plus 7f is equals to 15. Let us consider this as equation 2. Now, I want to take minus symbol. So, minus 4g minus 3f plus 5 is equals to minus of minus 3g plus 4f minus 10. So, minus 4g minus 3f plus 5 is equals to, now we have to multiply these three terms by minus symbol. So, minus into minus plus. So, we will get 3g minus 4f minus into minus plus 10. And simplifying this, so minus 4g minus 3g minus 3f minus is there means plus 4f is equals to 10, and here we have plus 5. So, 10 minus 5 minus 7g minus 4g minus 3g is minus 7g and minus 3f plus 4f is plus f is equals to 10 minus 5. The value of 10 minus 5 is 5. So, from this equation I want to find the value of f in terms of g. So, f is equals to minus 7g is there means we will get plus 7g plus 5. Let us consider this as equation 3. Now, what we did? We have equated the perpendicular distance from center to this line and the perpendicular distance from center to this line. Now, I want to equate the perpendicular distance from center to this line to the radius of the circle, that is nothing but the distance from center to this point. Equating perpendicular distance from center to the first line to the radius, modulus of 4 into minus g plus 3 into minus f plus 5 divided by square root of x coefficient is 4. So, 4 square plus the coefficient of y is 3. So, 3 square is equals to distance from center to the point P1 comma minus 1, x2 minus x1. Square root of x2 minus x1 means minus g minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus f and minus into minus plus 1 whole square. So, modulus of minus 4g plus into minus minus 3f plus 5 divided by square root of the value of 4 square is 16 plus 3 square value is 9 is equals to square root of minus g minus 1 whole square plus, in the place of f I want to write the value of f in terms of g. So that is minus of 7g plus 5 and plus 1 whole square. In the same way, here also in the place of f, I want to write 7g plus 5 minus 4g minus 3 into 7g plus 5 by square root of 16 plus 9 is 25 is equals to square root of minus common, then we will get g plus 1. Minus whole square means plus only, we will get g plus 1 whole square, g plus 1 whole square plus and minus 7g plus into minus 5 plus 1 whole square. Simplifying this, minus 4g minus 7 3 is 21, 21g plus into minus 5 3 is 15 plus 5 divided by square root of 25 means 5 is equals to square root of g plus 1 whole square plus minus 7g and minus 5 plus 1 means we will get minus 4 whole square. Modulus of minus 4g minus 21 means we will get minus 25g minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10 divided by 5 is equals to square root of, here we have to apply a plus b whole square formula means g square plus 1 plus 2g, and taking minus 1 common, minus 1 whole square is plus 1, then we will get plus 7g plus 4 whole square. Again we have to apply a plus b whole square formula. So 7g square means 49, g square plus 4 square means 16 plus 7 2 is 14, 14 into 4 means 56, we will get 56g. So here taking 5 common in the numerator, for taking 5 common in the modulus we will get minus 5g and minus 2 divided by 5. This 5 gets cancelled is equals to square root of g square plus 49g square means 50g square plus 2g plus 56g plus 58g plus 16 plus 1 is plus 17. Now squaring on both sides we will get, here also I am taking minus 1 common, so we will get 5g plus 2 whole square. After taking minus common, square is same is minus 1 whole square will become plus 1. So we will get 5g plus 2 whole square is equals to square root gets cancelled. We will get 50g square plus 58g plus 17. Now applying a plus b whole square formula here, we will get 25g square plus 2 square means 4 plus 10 into 2 is 20g is equals to 50g square plus 58g plus 17. Now we have to simplify this. 50g square and bringing all this term to RHS side. 50g square, here plus 25g square is there, minus 25. Minus 25g square. Next g term, that is plus 58g, and here we have 20g. So minus 20g plus 17. And here we have plus 4 means we will get minus 4. Minus 4 is equals to 0. 50 minus 25 will get 25g square plus 58 minus 20 plus 38g plus 17 minus 4 plus 13 is equals to 0. Here we have a quadratic equation in g. We have to find the roots of g by using the formula. So g is equals to minus b. So here b means 38 plus or minus square root of b square. So b square value is 38. 38 whole square minus 4 into a is 25 into the value of c is 13 divided by 2a. 2 into the value of a is 25. So g is equals to minus 38 plus or minus square root of 38 whole square. The value of 38 whole square is 1444 minus 4 into 25 is 100 means we will get 1300 divided by 2 into 25 means 50. So g is equals to minus 38 plus or minus square root of, subtracting 1300 from 1444 we will get 144 divided by 50. G is equals to minus 38 plus or minus square root of 144 value is 12. Square root of 144 value is 12. So 12 divided by 50. So now to get the values of g, So one time we have to consider the plus 12 value, and in the second case we have to take minus 12. So g is equals to minus 38 plus 12 by 50. From here we will get the value of g, minus 38 plus 12. So we will get minus 26. Minus 26 by 50. So cancelling in two table we will get 13 by 25. So g is equals to minus 13 by 25. So this is one of the value for g. Now take minus 12. So g is equals to minus 38 minus 12 divided by 50. So g is equals to minus 50 by 50. So 51's 51. So g is equals to minus 1. So now we have g values. One is minus 1 and the other one is minus 13 by 25. So we have to substitute g value in equation 3 to get the value of f. Now taking g is equals to minus 1, consider that as case 1. Case 1, g is equals to minus 1. So we have to substitute g equals to minus 1 in equation 3. Equation 3 is f is equals to 7g plus 5. So f is equals to 7g plus 5. So f is equals to 7 into minus 1 plus 5 is equals to minus 7 plus 5, that is equals to minus 2. So now we have g value, f value. These two values we have to substitute in equation 1. Then we will get the value of c. What is equation 1? So that is 2g minus 2f plus c is equals to minus 2. 2 into the value of g is minus 1, minus 2 into value of f is minus 2 plus c is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus into minus, plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus c is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 will get plus 2. Plus 2 plus c is equals to minus 2. Finally c is equals to minus 2 minus 2. That implies the value of c is minus 4. Now we have g value, f value and c value. We have to substitute this in the equation of the circle. So equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. X square plus y square plus 2 into the value of g is minus 1 into x plus 2 into f value is minus 2 into y plus the value of c is minus 4 is equals to 0. So x square plus y square plus into minus minus 2 into 1 is 2, 2x plus into minus minus 2 to the 4, 4y plus into minus minus 4 is equals to 0. This is one of the equation of the circle. Now we have to consider g value as minus 13 by 25, that is case 2. Case 2. The value of g is equals to minus 13 by 25. Now we have to find the value of f. So we have to substitute g equals to minus 13 by 25 in equation 3. Equation 3 is f is equals to 7g plus 5. Now we have to substitute g value in this equation. And f is equals to 7 into minus 13 by 25 plus 5, that is equals to minus 13 into 7 is 91 by 25 plus 5. So f is equals to LCM is 25 and minus 91 plus 25 is 125. That is equals to minus 91 plus 125 value is 34. So 34 divided by 25. Now we have a g value and f values. These two values we have to substitute in equation 1 to get the value of c. Equation 1 is 2g minus 2f plus c is equals to minus 2. 2 into g value is minus 13 by 25. Minus 2 into f value is 34 by 25 plus c is equals to minus 2. Minus 26 by 25 minus 68 by 25 plus c is equals to minus 2. Here denominators are same. We have to add the numerators. So we will get 94 minus 94 by 25 plus c is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to minus 2 plus 94 by 25. That is equals to LCM is 25. 25 into 2 is 50 minus 50 plus 94 by 25, that is equals to 44 by 25. This is the value of c. Now we have g value, f value, c value. We have to substitute in the equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So x square plus y square plus 2 into the value of g is minus 13 by 25 into x plus 2 into f value is 34 by 25 into y plus the value of c is 44 by 25 is equals to 0. Now, if you observe the LCM is 25, so we will get 25 into x square plus y square plus into minus minus 2 into 13 is 26x plus 2 into 34 is 68y plus 44 is equals to 0. This is another equation of the circle.